GCSE bio students, how did you find the paper? I got a lot of people messaging me and commenting on the video saying that the predictions were pretty good. So hopefully the chemistry and physics ones will be just as good as well. But just before we talk about that further, I'm going to talk about a few things. I don't know if anybody needs to hear this, but I feel like I would have really appreciated this when I was doing my exams. I want to say that no matter what your situation is right now, like in terms of your grades, it is not an end all be all. I failed a lot of my exams and I had to retake my AS exams, and I went from failing constantly into getting top grades in my school and then getting top grades in my university. You're probably going to see a bunch of people talking about their answers. You're probably talking to your friends about what their answer is, what your answer is. There's honestly no point at this point right now for you to beat yourself up for what you did right, what you did wrong, any little mistakes that you made. It's a lesson for the next paper, but don't ruminate over it because really, realistically, there's not a lot of time for you to be worrying. You have more exams as well. At the end of the day, these papers, these exams are just a representation of how you are feeling that day, how you are feeling that week, this week, last week, next week, and so on until your exams are done. It does not necessarily represent your entire year, your entire 2 years, your entire academic career. Because yes, sometimes you can know everything. You have done so many practice and things like that, but then this week you just have an off week for some reason and that messes up everything, and that happens. Sometimes that happens. Just know that every problem has a solution.